Did you use it when you were Rasta in the bush?
Yeah, man. Every night, that, man. At 3 Rasta, we, you know, in live at one place. About 10 live at one place. So the river part we so. Yeah, man. We just have fun in the hills, you know. Just Rasta and Rasta in the hills, you know. A bamboo man a burn. We plant ganja, cabbage, carrot, all kind of stuff. We plant food, you know. We did live free.
So when you're burning the Tralee in the mountains, how long does it last you?
Well, maybe 3, 4 nights, 5 nights, or 6 nights.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, man. If you think the wheat gone right down,
yeah,
you don't have nothing more to do with it. If you just put the wheat way down, make it come right down.
Tralee.
Drive Tralee.
Tralee.
Tralee, Ratty, Tralee.
Tralee.
That's how we do.
So this is the kerosene we got from the store. And I'm guessing that's a glass bottle.
Yeah.
Not a plastic one.
One for the top. Top. One for top. Top. Top.
Yeah, me stop, Ratty, me stop.
Yeah.
No, is this any kind of paper?
Tralee.
Any type.
Any type, just roll it up.
Yeah, just like this.
Now, do you have to make sure it's super tight so no air gets in?
Roll up.
Right now with it, you know.
Wow, lights up quick, man.
Quick, man. I tell you, man, Tralee, man. We have them in our wood, you know. We have them on our mountain. Then we cook at night time. Because now every night we can't cook. Soon, so we have to use it. All the yard, I use it, you know. You know, so I use it all last night, too, man. Everywhere. This is jungle touch, man.
Jungle?
Yeah, man. Jungle Tralee, them, man. Straight Tralee. Red light, straight fire.
Did you ever knock it over by mistake? What happens if you knock it over?
If it knock over by itself, some of the time it breaks, sometimes it don't break. Tied up, you know. Can't knock it over, you know. See that? Fuck.
Oh my god.
So it fit for every fucking thing.
So as long as you don't burn down your house, you're good.
Take one.
Wait, Ratty.
Thunder. One for
You see how long it's tough, you know. So when I use these are plastic. As they catch it, it melt. Fucks you up, you're done, you know. Or these is fucking glass. Yeah.
And you said it doesn't make noise like the coconut oil.
You have to lean it before you can hold it, you know. You can't hold it like this, you know.
Oh, it's just got too much fuel.
Yeah, you have to do it so you give some fuel and then you blow. Done in blood, please.
That is some legit.
I want a wicked man too. Fuck it up, man. Fire.